Natasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a catch-all spread um, for June 2nd through the 8th. So here we go. Yes, my corners are bent. My planner is so thick, you guys. Okay, anyway, so I already prepared some stickers on the side. I printed a weekly kit. I believe it's for Erin Condren. I'm not sure, but that's what we're going to be using today. I also pulled out a sticker book from um, Planner Anonymous. Um, it's like a few years old, so I purchased that like way back when, and now I'm going to use it in conjunction because it kind of fits perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we have the pages, we have the stickers. Let's get going. So first I'm going to place a few of the decorative stickers and see how that goes. Like I said, I'm not sure what they're like truly meant for, but when I sized it to the maximum on Cricut, they do come out almost like for an Erin Condren, like I said. So something different. But yes, let's get going. I'm gonna go ahead and rename the rename the days. Well, not really, not rename. Put the covers on top of them to make them look more like this spread. So all of them have like this paint stroke in there, which I really like. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover them up. I'm just taking them off the page and then I'm gonna put them on my planner. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I think that's good. All the scratches and red marks on me are from yard work. I've been going crazy in my front and backyard cutting stuff out and making it pretty. So it's quite a thing, you guys. I forgot how much work gardening is, so we shall see. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Look how cute they look. Yeah. Okay, so it's like blue and purple and a little bit of pink, so that's what we're gonna do exactly. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna add more of the deco stickers because I love these. Like that's what drew me to this kit in the first place. I think I bought this kit like over 2 years ago on Etsy. I'm not even sure, but I haven't used it, and that happens a lot. Like I have such an overwhelming amount of stickers. A lot of the stuff doesn't get used, which is so sad, but it's true. So I'm gonna keep it real, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place that one right there. Look at that. That time. Amazing. Okay. So you can do that. And then we'll put this one like this. I only have 4 of these to-do lists that are um like hearts, and I didn't print more, so I'm gonna do other stuff for the weekend. But for my work days, I think I'm just gonna keep the hearts. So that's what we're gonna do. So I work Monday through Thursday, so that kind of works perfect, right? So let's keep going. I'm gonna place that. Look at that. I think that looks good. And then let's do that one. So that one will be like my main event here. So every single day, I do like having a box to highlight like a main event or an appointment or something major. that I need to do. Like that's a must do, or like a dinner, or something like that. So that is what I'm doing in here. It's actually pretty fun to do, because then you're looking at your week in your planner, and it's quite clear like what was happening on each day. Yeah. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna place these. I don't know like what colors I'm putting where yet, so I'm just kind of winging it. So we have the navy blue, we have the purple, we have the pink. So I'm gonna add a box right there for like a main event too. Some of them have the little like bow, some of them do not. So I'm just kind of playing around to see what will fit where. There's no rhyme or reason for any of this stuff. So yeah, the light lavender, and that is it for the heart boxes. I guess I could print more, but it won't be enough to do lists for the weekend, since on weekends we do quite a bit of stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this as well. Yeah, that looks good actually. The navy blue kind of breaks down the purples, which I like a lot. I actually am surprised how much I like purple and navy blue combo. But I guess it makes sense. It gives it like almost like a spacey feel, right? So I like it. No surprise there. Okay. And as you guys know, I really like a faux spread. So this one will be no different. I'm going to probably pack it with everything and anything. So bear with me as I do that. I love, love, love having a faux spread. So yeah, let's go ahead and add more stuff. So I'm adding a couple more boxes. There's like little ones and big ones, and I need those for work schedule. So I keep track of my own hours. Lately, I've been working an insane amount of hours, like between 12 and 13 hours a day, which is crazy. So yeah, that's not gonna really work um long term, but for right now it is what it is, and I'm hoping it will like stop eventually. I only have three of these work things. The fourth one is broken and it's not even visible because it's that super super light pink, like almost not pink, almost white. So I'm not even going to use that. I'm going to use something different for work on Thursday. So there we go. There's that. So yeah, I am definitely putting all of this stuff in. And let's go ahead and add stuff in here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Like, look at these stickers. I know they're like kind of weird and different, but hey, I really like them. So yeah, I'm putting all of this stuff in, and we'll get into the book just in a bit after I do like the main stuff in here. I want to decorate my sidebar. I'm not going to use it for many, many things, but I'm going to use it for just a few. So, speaking of that, here we go. So I put it the two pictures, like one very light one quite dark. Um, so yeah, let's see how that goes. So yeah, I have an appointment up there. I'm gonna add like more of these like very clean boxes. I don't know how this goes with the team, but I'm gonna go ahead and go for it and figure it out later. But I think it might be like a nice breakup from all of the color. So I'm gonna put priority on Sunday. And yes, it's crooked. I realize that it's going to be crooked. There's not much more I can do once I place them down. So hard to take them off. So we're gonna keep going. So this is a must do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just use my stencil for the weekend, you guys. That's what it's going to be, and I am okay with that. I know I could probably put to-do lists from the Planner Anonymous sticker book, like I said, but I have so many to-dos and I'm so used to my circles. Like I kind of like having them, the hearts and the boxes with to-dos and even like the checklists. They are so close together that there's not much I can write. I usually write like 2 lines for my to-dos, which doesn't give a super clean look in the planner. And I know that, but again, planner for me is function. The decorations are just like a cherry on the top. They're not anything outside of that. So I really do enjoy doing stuff like this, but only because, like I said, it gets to be um, functional for me. So, yep. So that's kind of how I did this. And um, like the pink one on Sunday in the corner, there'll be just a general to do list for the week. It will be transferred into the week of to dos as I go, like as I find things that I need to get done, and I can schedule them on a particular day. I do need more boxes, and I'm pulling them out of the book too. And look how beautifully, like, all of this just fits and kind of blends in without any kind of alteration. So it's seamless. It's pretty great. Like, it doesn't happen very often where you're able to do that. So, yeah, let's go do this too. Stay strong. You're a diamond. So, yeah, that's going to be in there too. I think it fits pretty well. I'm going to put those little guys kind of all over to put stuff in, like so. I think that's pretty good. Okay. I don't know if I want any of those teeny tiny things like to do and stuff, but I do like the boxes, so for sure I'm gonna use that. I still need a box for Friday. And I think I spaced myself out, meaning I don't have enough space for a box. So I might be moving things around. And so, like I said, with the printed stickers, even though they are repositionable, they're not the easiest, you guys. They really are not, which it is what it is. So let's go ahead and add a couple more things while I'm doing this. I'm gonna put this. Oh, okay. Looks like I haven't like massaged it in. I don't know what to call it, but like when yeah, like that, and then they get really stuck. Plus, it has been only like a few minutes, so okay. So I'm gonna add that box in there, and then I'm gonna add a couple more things, and I'm so like not good at this. So let's see. Okay, and as always, just so you guys know, when I'm creating spreads, oftentimes they are changing and I'm adding stuff as I'm writing, like as I know how much space I need, as I know what's going on in my week. I'm able to add extra stickers and extra stuff. So that's kind of what's going on. Sometimes I remove stickers and I have to move stuff around because, like I said, this needs to be fully functional for me, first and foremost. So yeah, I'm just looking for more stickers to add as always because why not? How about we add some quotes? But I need to make sure like that they fit, and a lot of them are like the silver foil, and I really don't mind because um I'm able to see it. I know it'll be a little bit harder for you guys to see, but it says I am enough on this one. And then maybe like a long one on the bottom. I don't know. Like sometimes I have to figure it out as I go. Like let's put this, choose to shine bright, but I need to write down what stickers I used in some part of this planner so the other side will not get anything. It happens, you know? Life is not fair. Okay. Living this moment next to the bath because yeah, that's like I love baths. I don't know if all of you guys do or not. I know some people think it's gross. I adore baths. Like I will do the whole shebang, light candles, do the bubble bath, like put a fizzy ball or a bath bomb or whatever they're called. Like the whole yard. I will bring a glass of wine, read a book or listen to a book. Sometimes I will even like bring a um iPad to watch something. But yeah, I think this spread is done. Let me know what you guys think. Um, I'm gonna probably be adding more stickers because it's not full enough for me. But yeah, that's what it is. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.